everyone, Amtrak and CSX Griffin here, and we got a train close to right now, at 12:40. It sounded like our friend, but he has to go slow here because he can't get to the station yet because the lake shore is arriving at the station now, so it can't be, so he would have to go slow if it's him. But then I heard a freight clear 273 towards Bolivar, so it could be a freight instead, but it sounded like Amtrak to me, and he would probably have 118, my friend would. Nope, it's the friend. Maybe he'll stop between 290 or 291 because the lake shore still has to get out of the station first.